Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Senevic along with Carol Masser. We're joined by Bloomberg News equities reporter Avalon Purnell for some stocks on the move. What'd you find?
Well, we can start off with Abercrombie Fitch. That's ticker ANF. It's sliding now about 3.8%, but earlier in the day it was down as much as 9% after forecasting first quarter net sales growth and profits that missed estimates. And part of that is because of Hollister, which for those who aren't familiar, it's the store chain that's really popular among teens and tweens.
Tim shops there all the time.
This is
You're
like
a Hollister kind of.
I'm a little bit of an older demographic, Carol.
Did you just shop there?
No.
Oh.
That was even before my time. But Abercrombie cargo shorts were like my time in high school. And it was like 4 iterations ago of Abercrombie. But we digress, as we always do, Avalon.
Okay.
Please, get us back on track.
Getting smacked today, down about 24% year to date.
Exactly. And management also mentioned that they are monitoring the Middle East conflict and potentially even anticipating a small sales headwind in the first quarter. I will note that they actually opened their first store in Dubai in 2015.
Ah, okay. So it's been up and running for over a decade, right?
Exactly.
And it's interesting to see that. All right. So listen, retailers, it's not always the same story, but it's good to get a feel in terms of which consumers and what they're feeling at this point. Let's go to ticker Wix.
Yes, Wix.com, ticker Wix, very easy, WIX, jumping 12% for its biggest intraday leap since 2024. That's because it reported really strong top-line results. More specifically, its websites builders like AI-powered platform Base44 was largely to thank it surpassed $100 million of annual recurring revenue way before their initial expectations, which were for the end of 2026, end of this year. So analysts said that despite having a slightly mixed quarter, they are very much encouraged by the sustained momentum as Wix continues to meaningfully invest in growth.
Okay, so that is Wix. And I guess there were 2 questions about AI and what AI will do to a company such as Wix.
They're down 20% year to date.
They're
11%
people are concerned about what AI does to the company.
11% of the float is
Yeah,
short
so that's
too.
where it's coming from.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm listening.
All right, let's go to Moderna.
Moderna, I can't come here without bringing a healthcare stock. That's ticker MRNA, up about 18% now, which it's important also to mention that it's currently up nearly 100% this year.
I did not know that. This is actually a gainer.
Where's it coming from, though?
Yeah.
Well, today at least, the vaccine maker agreed that it's going to pay nearly $1 billion to settle litigation related to the technology behind its COVID shot. Investors see that as like a best case scenario because the settlement removed a major financial risk for Moderna and also was lower than feared. And so Jefferies analysts actually said that that removed a catastrophic worst case scenario and also removes the need for potential future royalty payments to the companies involved.
Are you going to give us some context?
No.
Oh, I thought you were going to go back.
Well, I mean, if you just think about what the challenges that the company's faced over the last couple of years.
I thought you were going to take us back to
but
like
also in recent months, COVID.
2021.
That was a different time.
Guess what the high was back in August of 2021? Want to guess? You guess?
Where is it now?
No. Oh, it's like at $59.
400.
Okay. What do you think?
Oh, 200?
No. Yeah. Sorry. You lose. Okay, $484.
Oh, not bad. Okay.
And 47 cents. That was back in August of 2021. Yeah, you know. It was one of the COVID stories.
I know.
Big
it was
time.
the COVID story.
Yeah. But anyway.
But it's a different regime and a different view on what a company like Moderna can do.
Yeah, they all have to figure out their way. Great group of stocks. Thank you so much. Always. Avalon Purnell. She's Bloomberg News equities reporter.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.